In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix expired link on your Telegram. So in order to fix an expired Telegram link, the best approach to that is to ask the sender for a new active link because expired links can't directly be fixed. So if you have access to a sender and an administrator of a group or channel, just proceed to ask them for the new active link for that and help them generate a new invite link with unlimited expiration and user limit to prevent it from expiring in the future. Make sure to contact the person to send you a fresh invite link to the group. Now, if you're, for example, that person, you can proceed to actually go over to a particular group, click onto the name, and then after that, click on the three dots. You can either add members if they allow it right there, but if not, you can head over and then just get the invite link right here, copy that, and once you have copied this link, just send it to the people that you wish to send it with. So that's how you fix expired link in Telegram. Hope we help.